Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. Today let's unboxing this new product. I would say new from Ikea, and then it's called Mallhoppa. And let's see the description. Pictures. Okay. Then description. It's only 89 ringgit. Right. Product details. No. Material care. Safety compliance. Assembly and documents. Okay. Basically documents. Nothing much. Okay, and then measurement 35, packaging. All right. Okay, that's it. So I will leave the URL link below the video if you're interested for the product. So let's before unboxing, let's look at the details. Okay, and behind. So this is from behind, and then here's the thick one, the thickness, and this is from front, and the side. Okay, so let's unboxing. Okay, so we got it, and then this is from behind. The hazardous substance. Okay, and okay, this is the one that if we download, then this is the document. So in English, again English. Okay, and just put the battery. There you go, it's working. By the way, this is steel, means, let me show you. You can, here, magnet, here, just on the side, like this, also. Just an idea. Okay, I'm so sweating here. So, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.